There are hundreds of species of sharks that range from 8 centimeters to 19.8 meters, and are unique to every marine environment in the world. These magnificent animals have a fierce reputation and fascinating biology. Here is all the factual information about sharks we have prepared for you. If you like the video, you can press the like button and subscribe to be notified of new videos. Let's get started. Sharks are predatory fish that arouse fear in people with their appearance, and that we feel as if they will attack us from the depths every time we enter the sea. Such a scenario must have crossed our minds, especially when swimming in regions with high depths. This scenario is a testament to the impact the film industry has had on us. If you have watched horror thriller movies in which sharks are used, this situation is in your subconscious and it is not easy to get rid of it. Sharks are the most predatory fish in the seas. They generally feed on meat and invertebrate sea creatures, but they have been seen to eat those thrown from ships. Objects such as tin cans, pieces of glass, newsprint, and pieces of wood were found in the stomachs of some sharks caught. As can be seen from here, they do not distinguish much food. They are the scavengers of the seas. They usually spend all their time looking for food, and they can also eat creatures larger than themselves. The term shark is the name used in our language and given in reference to the head structure of these animals. Sharks' upper jaws and snouts are anterior, and the lower jaw is just below the head. In general, this type of mouth structure is not seen much in the fish group. The nose in front of the head structure has special receptors. Thanks to these sensors, they can smell very well as feel the electrical waves and temperature changes in the water very well. They can smell blood in the water from 3 kilometers away. At the same time, this region is very sensitive in terms of nervous structure. Scientists studying sharks have discovered interesting information about nasal protrusions in recent years. The sensors in their noses are so sensitive that it is possible to directly affect their brains by contacting them. It has been observed that the fish whose nose is touched calm down and even become numb. Again, it is possible to put them under the hypnotic effect by touching and stroking this area. Another new discovery made by scientists is about body structures and balance. Sharks' bodies are designed for straight swimming. Even if they turn sideways or upside down while making moves, they cannot stay that way and immediately return to their previous positions. Noticing this, the researchers found that when you turn the sharks over, they go into a trance state. It was noted that as long as it was reversed, the fainting state, which did not react at all, continued. When you turned it straight again, it was seen that it returned to normal and started to swim and move away. Sharks are not mammals like whales or dolphins. They breathe through gills. There are 5 to 7 vertical gill holes on the sides and they provide breathing by filtering the water they take from the mouth. There are about 250 species of sharks, and 27 of them have been found to attack humans. The smallest ones start at 30 centimeters, while the largest can reach 19 meters in length and 20 tons in weight. Species that attack humans are the larger species. The largest sharks are whale sharks. They can attack any living thing of this size in water. Therefore, it is normal for them to see humans as potential prey. They are also curious animals. Different creatures in the water attract their attention. The movements of people in the water, and the smells they secrete can attract them to you. Although sharks do not have a bony skeleton like many other fish, they are classified with other vertebrate species in the phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, and class Elasmobranchi. Sharks' teeth don't have roots. Sharks have 5 to 15 rows of teeth in each jaw, and most have 5 rows. A shark has tough skin covered by dermal denticles, which are small plates of enamel, similar to the ones found on our teeth. Habitat and range. Sharks are found in coastal, marine and ocean environments all over the world, from shallow to deep-sea environments. Some species live in shallow areas, while others live in deep waters, the ocean floor, and open oceans. A few species, such as the bull shark, can easily navigate in salt, fresh and brackish waters. Sharks' nutrition and behavior. Sharks are carnivores and primarily prey on undead fish, marine mammals such as dolphins and seals, and other sharks. Some species prefer turtles and seagulls, crustaceans and mollusks, and plankton and krill for their diet. Sharks have a lateral line system on their side that senses water movements. This helps the shark find prey, navigating around other objects at night or when water visibility is poor. Sharks must keep water moving over their gills to get the necessary oxygen. Not all sharks need to be constantly moving, though. Sharks, which need to swim constantly, have active and resting periods instead of falling into a deep sleep like us. While parts of their brains continue to swim reflexively, they continue to swim in sleep because they seem less active. Reproduction and offspring. Some shark species are oviparous, that is, they reproduce with eggs. Others give birth live and young. Among the species that carry these creatures, some are observed to have a placenta just as human babies do, while others lack this organ. Although no one seems to know for sure, it is estimated that the largest shark species, the whale shark, can live up to 150 years, and most small sharks can live between 20 and 30 years. Sharks and humans. The public misrepresentation of several shark species has condemned sharks to misconceptions as man-eaters. In fact, only 10 of the shark species are considered dangerous to humans. Because they are hunters, these sharks are distinguished by their sharp teeth that can cause frequent wounds. Threats. Obviously, humans pose the greatest threat to sharks. In addition, many shark species are threatened by either their own or another species, while an out-of-control hunting shark can cause millions of deaths overall. If we compare this with shark attack statistics, although a shark attack is a terrifying thing, approximately 10 deaths occur worldwide each year due to sharks. Protection status. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has evaluated over 60 species of pelagic sharks and rays. About 24% are near threatened, 26% vulnerable, and 6% globally endangered. About 10 are classified as critically endangered. Now, let's look at the interesting information about sharks. Sharks don't have air sacs like other fish, and sink to the bottom when they stop swimming. Their teeth are in several rows, and there are species up to 500 in number. The outer row teeth are the largest and are the incisors. Incisors can be flexible and act overwhelming. Sharks' lost teeth are replaced by new ones. Their spines are made of cartilage, giving them flexibility. They are very flexible and serial animals. Stomach acids are very strong. When a drop of this acid is dropped on your hand will burn. His eyesight is strong, they can hunt comfortably in dark waters and at night. Thanks to the sensitive receptors in their noses, this vision is completed. Hearing is also very developed. They can distinguish the vibrations made by someone fluttering in the water, and they head in that direction. Therefore, swimming fast and splashing water attracts their attention. There are cases where people caught among sharks swim calmly and escape. Therefore, you should continue to swim calmly without panicking and try to get to the land. Sharks have a very strong immune system. It is so strong that they don't get infected and don't get sick. When given a cancer microbe, it was seen that they defeated it. Shark meat is lean. All the fat in the body is found in the liver. That's why their meat is tasteless and bland. They generally live in deep waters, but they also come to shallow waters, when they cannot find prey. Tiger sharks, hammerhead sharks are the most attacking species. Although sharks are seen as aggressive, the number of people who die from lightning strikes each year is higher than that from shark attacks. Dear viewers, these are the information we have prepared about the detailed information about sharks. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.